My name is Gabby Danieli, Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer at CoreTigo. We're members of the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner Program and awarded Technology Partner of the Year 2023 in the EMEA region. Rockwell Automation and CoreTigo partnered to provide industrial wireless automation solutions that enable flexible and agile manufacturing and processing. CoreTigo's IO-Link wireless-based solutions and products are specifically designed to meet the needs of harsh and challenging industrial environments for both control and monitoring. Our wireless solution offers cable-grade reliability, scalability to support large amounts of wireless devices, and the speed required for automation applications and systems. CoreTigo's IO-Link wireless solution seamlessly integrates with the Rockwell automation architecture, encompassing a broad range of products, from sensors and actuators to independent car technology systems, Ethernet IP PLCs, and more. Together, we're enabling production lines and machines to do more, with less manual operations and changeovers, reduced machine footprint, and increased throughput. We're opening up new opportunities for machine adaptivity and bridging the gap of connectivity from anywhere on the factory floor without constraints.